Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to install app on iPhone 16 Pro or Plus. So let's start the video. First of all, open App Store and here you can scroll down and find your app you want to install. And if you can't find here, then click on it and type here the name of app you want to install. And after typing here, you can click on search. Your app will be show on your top, uh, and then click on get. After clicking on get and click on install, and here you can enter your Apple ID and sign it. After assigning it, your app will be installed and show on your home screen. So this way to install your app in iPhone 16 Pro or Plus. Thanks for watching this video.